Today I am going to embroider this simple design, just these two leaves, and I am going to use stem stitch. Most of you I think are familiar with this stitch. I am going to use brown color thread for these lines. Again, I have taken 3 strands, simple stem stitch, very simple. All of you know how to do it. We will first do that. Just these lines with brown, dark brown. I have taken a shade of dark brown to do this. Very simple. To fill up this portion, I have used 2 strands of green and 2 strands of yellow. You may take some shaded thread also. Now, simple stem stitch, simple stem stitch I have done. Every time when you come to the end of the line, just put the needle down. Put the needle down, turn the cloth, and again you start from here. That's all. Take small stitches and do not leave too much of a gap between two lines. Then it will not look very good. This part of mine is nearly done. That's all. For filling up this portion, I am only going to use stem stitch, and I have used this shade of green. Only for this portion I have used 2 strands of green and 2 strands of yellow. But for this, only green. After filling in, I am going to take a lighter shade of green and just do another line of stem stitch at the border. Just one line using a lighter shade of green. For this, I have taken a shaded thread. You may use any color you wish to, just a lighter shade of green. I am going to go down and then come again from this part. Only then the edges look good. Again over here, I will go down, turn once again, turn once again. For the small leaf, I have taken another shade of green. I have used this shade of green, and for the small leaf also I am going to use stem stitch, but I am not going to do the filling in. I will only do 4 lines of stem stitch, one beside the other. That's all. Only 4 lines of stem stitch, one beside the other. And these lines, as usual, I will do it with brown. A very simple design to do. Only 4 lines of stem stitch, one beside the other for the small leaf. My embroidery is complete and this is how it looks now. If you have liked my video, kindly like, share and subscribe.